How to delete folder on Microsoft Outlook. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your folders on Microsoft Outlook. To do so, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type outlook.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. You will be taken to the official website of Outlook. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you search for it, you will be taken to the official website of Outlook. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Now before getting started, note that default folders in Outlook such as inbox, sent items, drafts or deleted items cannot be deleted. When you hover your cursor over it and click on those three dots at the right side, you will find some menu. There you will find delete folder. But as you can see, you will not be able to delete this folder. Only custom folders that you have created can be deleted on Microsoft Outlook. Now if you need to delete a custom folder, then you will need to select the custom folder that you would like to delete. You can right click on the folder or you can click on the three dots at the right side of it to open up this menu. Here you will find delete folder option. Click on this delete folder and now a dialog box will appear on your screen asking you if you really want to delete this folder or not. It also says that once you click on this OK button, you will move this folder to deleted items. Go ahead and click on this OK button. As you can see, the folder has been deleted. You can find a deleted folder on the deleted items section. Here you can click on this deleted items option and then there you can find your deleted folder. If you want to recover them, you can just click on this recover items and recover that folder. So in this way you can delete your folder on Microsoft Outlook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.